My man put it in sport. Alright, ready one more time. Oh, there you go, you hear it? You hear how it changes now? Yeah. It's yeah, there you go. You hear it?
This shit sounds good.
Yeah. You guys know where we at. We over at YP AutoDetail and Print Code Rapid. Today. Well, by the way, if you guys have not subscribed, definitely go down below. Hit the subscribe button. Remember, like, comment. Emojis matter too. Y'all already know. Now, in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and actually put the carbon fiber. Well, Yuri's gonna put the carbon fiber trunk lip on the M340. If you guys have not seen the carbon fiber trunk lip, I'll show you guys in a second. Picked it up on, I think, eBay. I'll put the link down below. It's a competition style carbon fiber trunk lip. Now, my car comes with a trunk lip on it from factory. It's like a little, tiny little strip thing. And we gotta take that off. First, we're gonna clean the car. So, today's video, we're gonna clean the car, take that off, wipe off the ceramic coating, I think, around it. Or no? This is the old, comes with a little lip.
Really small.
Paint nice.
Really tiny.
Let me know what you think about that eBay quality. I think carbon fiber's carbon fiber sometimes, bro. What do you think?
Honestly, I've never had carbon fiber on the car before. So.
It came from Taiwan. Literally, I ordered it and it came from Taiwan. But it's kind of what it'll look like. We're gonna wait for you to just magic wash the car and everything. And I'll get back to you guys. I'll let you guys know how it looks. All right. Let me see that.
Oh, it says Germany.
Oh, yeah, my car's made in Germany.
No. You'd be tight though if it said Taiwan.
Like, I'm about to replace the original part with Germany from some crappy eBay Taiwan part just because it looks nicer. It's gonna blow off with the wind too, but hey, it is what it is. Let me get a shot of that, bro. Let's take a swing at it.
Watch your parent go, bro. That one's father.
I gotta get my good. You said who?
That one's father. The paint is already burned.
Word, right? Wait, can you burn the paint?
Keep it moving. You're not gonna burn it. You're gonna burn the paint. One spot.
God, I smell something, bro.
You saw how quick he's like, yo, give me that. What's wrong with you? There's the rubber with it. Rubber?
I get a discount if I do some work myself. I need all my money. If you live here, 50% off?
I see you were tired. She is not. You're all tired.
There you go. Done.
So you see when you put it on, what's gonna happen? When you hit 190, the wind's gonna go so fast, it's gonna push it down, it's gonna quasi guys and make traction.
Yeah.
People don't know really meaning of this.
Yeah, but when I hit 190, since that's from eBay, that's gonna start doing 60 and I'm still gonna be doing 190.
That's it. Bro, it's designed for that. When you hit 190, it's gonna come up, you need more speed. Boost.
Clean. Ooh. It looks real stop. Like, stop.
You know, because you got the lip in the front, it definitely needs a
Yo, it looks mad bald in the back, son.
Yo, imagine we do all this shit doesn't line up right. Sometimes these aftermarket shit just don't. Like, yo, you see something confused about?
up? Yo.
Come. How does it look on your side?
You're just gonna get.
Do you still see, when you look from it up top, do you still see slight paint still?
Yeah. Yeah. Tad bit though.
Tad bit of paint? How does it look now? Paint wise. Mike, pick it up. Yo, I felt it dropping, bro.
I was like,
I felt it dropping. Mike, pick it up.
yo, you said, what do you think now? You said it didn't say this. Damn.
I felt it coming on. No, not ready. Look, don't bring it too close.
Is yours on?
Yours is on, isn't it?
It's on again.
No, just.
It's good, right?
Huh? Come to this side.
So here we go, guys. This is the front carbon fiber. I know y'all remember that. Now we got the carbon fiber trunk lip. Now the weave and stuff like that, I don't know. This one looks a little darker than the one in the front. By Keys Motorsports, and this is eBay. So I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell. But to be really honest with you, I like the way it looks. Take a step back here. You can look right here. You'll see still raised right here. There's nothing we can really do about that. And on this side as well, it's a lot better. But yeah, there's nothing we could do on this side. But normally you would think is to move it up a little bit, but the way I guess the guys over in Taiwan molded it, it just wasn't 100% perfect. But I'll be honest with you, man. Actually, I mean, you really can't ever tell, honestly. Now this is the competition design. It's not exactly the really high duckbill, and it has a little slit in the middle. Put the link down below, all the information. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Once again, shout out to eBay and Yuri, YP AutoDetail, for making this lip possible. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys one walk around. I'm gonna get out of here. Micro Slow Speed. Peace out.